Thinking of switching to user-based pricing but not sure if that's the right move? Let's break it down. Usage-based pricing, aka pay-as-you-go, means your users pay based on how much they actually use your product. For example, instead of paying $99 per month, they might pay 10 cents per transaction or $1 per report. Now, why does this matter? Because SaaS customers today want pricing that scales with their needs. No one wants to overpay for unused features. And if your pricing matches the value people get, they're more likely to stick around and grow with you. Companies like Snowflake, Twilio, and AWS have built entire empires on usage-based pricing. But switching to it, that's not a casual Friday decision. You need a plan. Here's how to do it right. Step 1. Research like your business depends on it, because it does. Start by figuring out what your users actually value. What the unit of usage that matters to them. For Landbot, it was the number of charts per month. For TextMagic, it was how many messages users sent. Ask real customers what they would feel good paying for. You can run surveys, talk to power users, or run pricing experiments. Step 2. Test it before you go in all in. Don't flip the switch overnight. Start with an A/B test, or roll it out to small user segment. Keep the old pricing model running in parallel and see what performs better. And be transparent. Let your users know what's changing and why. Show them how this model is actually more fair or more flexible. Step 3. Build the right infrastructure. Usage-based pricing only works if you can track usage reliably and bill for it clearly. That means you will need real-time usage tracking, transparent billing dashboards, and alert for customers approaching their limits. This part takes time. You may need to upgrade your tech stack or bring in new tools like Stripe, Metronome, or ChargeBee. But it's essential. No one likes surprise charges. Now, here's the twist. Not every SaaS company should go usage-based. Here's how to know if it's not for you. You cannot tie value to a clear usage metric. Your revenue is too unpredictable month to month. You sell to large enterprises that demand predictable billing. At Eleken, for example, we use a flat subscription model. Why? Because we design UI UX and there is no clear unit of design to bill for. You don't want us charging per screen or per pixel. It just doesn't make sense. So we went with what's clear and predictable for our clients. But if your product has trackable, scalable usage, UBP might be your move. We worked with TextMagic, who switched to usage-based pricing after getting direct feedback from their users. Instead of trying to guess what works, they just asked their users how they wanted to pay. Smart, simple, and effective. Quick reality check before you dive in. UBP sounds great, but you've got to nail your value metric, your tracking and billing system, and your pricing communication. If you miss any of those, you risk confusing users, losing revenue, or worse, both. One more tip, consider a hybrid model. A lot of SaaS companies use a mix-based subscription plus usage average. That way, you have a safety net, but users still pay for what they use. To wrap it up, usage-based pricing works when it matches value, is easy to understand, and is backed by a strong billing infrastructure. It's not for everyone, but if done right, it can increase retention, reduce churn, and unlock new growth. If you're thinking about making the switch and need help with research, UX, or product design around pricing, Eleken can help. We work with SaaS teams across industries to make pricing strategies clearer and easier to use. If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe, drop a comment, and see you soon.